Today, I'm gonna make my go-to smash burger with a side of fries. This is my meal that I'll make probably once a week at least. It's quick, it's simple, and it's delish. Let's start doing this. We're gonna start off with making our French fries. We're gonna peel some potatoes, super easy. We'll get these peeled. We'll put them underneath some water, wash out some of that extra starch. We'll go from there. I'm not going super thin on the fries. I'm going a kind of a medium between thick and thin. It's all preference. Basically just going to cut these in half. We've got our potatoes in a bowl, and we're going to go rinse this off with water to get some of this extra starch off of it. Super simple. As our garnish, I'm just going to do lettuce and tomato. Okay? You could obviously make more of this as you need. I'm only going to make probably about 2 burgers, so that's what I'm going to prepare for. I'm going to go with my iceberg lettuce. Very thin. This win is thick. Cut a tomato. We're gonna have this ready, cut aside, so that way we can build these burgers really fast. Now I'm gonna prepare the toppings for the burger. Super simple: yellow onion and a Fresno pepper. Fresno peppers are very similar to a jalapeno, except for they are a little bit sweeter, and I feel like they have a little bit of a smoky flavor. I think they're delish. You should try them. That's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna dice these both up. We have our onions diced up. I like to dice up the onions like this, and I'm gonna add the peppers to it. I'm gonna saute them both on the flat top at the same time. I feel it's just easier that way. You do you. So I'm gonna go ahead and dice these up. I like to go ahead and get the seeds out of it. These on the wrong side. Don't need to be perfect on here. I'm okay with a little bit. That's fine. We're gonna go ahead and give this a rough chop. I'm gonna dice these up. Make sure everything's cut down. Here we go. Doesn't need to be perfect. I'm gonna mix this up with the yellow onions, and then we're gonna get ready to start sauteing that. I'm now gonna make the sauce that I'm gonna put on my burger. Super simple. We're gonna start with some mayo. I'm gonna use that Duke's mayo. Oh, we're gonna go more than that. Okay. Do some ketchup. Whoa, that came out fast. Mustard. Whoa. I'm also gonna add some spicy pickles. I'm gonna chop the pickles up kind of on the finer side. Get a good mix on. All right, this is gonna sit while we get everything else ready to go. It's just gonna become better. It's just gonna become better as it sits. First things first, I'm gonna get these fries into the oil. Oil's about 350 degrees. We're gonna do a 2-system fry, I guess you call it. We're gonna put it in here until the fries are relatively al dente. We're gonna pull the fries, put them onto a wired pan, and then we're gonna do a second fry to get that crisp on. You feel me? That crisp. Okay, 350 degrees. That's what we're gonna do. Fries in. Now I'm gonna get beef tallow going, and we're gonna put our peppers and onions on the flat top. A lot's going on. We got everything cooking at the same time. We call that fresh. Beef tallow. I use beef tallow for everything. I'll make a video showing you how I personally do this. We're gonna go beef tallow, okay? Want that a little bit cooler. I don't know, teaspoon, tablespoon, whatever you feel like. Okay, now we're gonna put down our onions and Fresno peppers. I like to go heavy on it, the onions and the Fresnos, because it's delish. Now this is more of a cooler side of the Blackstone. Okay, this doesn't need to be fast. I want it relatively slow. Little pepper, nothing crazy, just a little bit, because we're gonna add pepper elsewhere. Little salt, it'll start breaking everything down. I threw a little bit on the floor, a little bit over the shoulders, good luck. We got our ground beef. You can freshly ground it, maybe I'll do a video about that. This is just straight up from the store. It's, let's see, 85.15, I believe. 85.15. We're gonna make, I don't know, about 2-ounce balls-ish. It doesn't need to be perfect, it's okay. Either way, it's still gonna be delish. So we're gonna do a couple of these. So we got this, we got a couple burgers ready to go. Like I said, I'm not demonstrating cooking for a party. You can multiply the recipe. This is just what I do for myself because I'm delish. All right, I'm using two things. I got my smashy thing for my smash burgers. I'll leave a link to this. I also use these sandwich / burger wraps. They're super easy. I feel like they're easier than parchment paper. I'll leave a link to this as well. What I do with these, that I feel finds works out perfect, is I fold them in half. Beauteous. Oh man, this wind today, I swear. Okay. Fold it in half, cut along the fold. Okay, I don't need this other half. Stash that away for next. I then come across, fold it again. Simple. Okay? Knife in between, hit the fold, done. Now, this fold is perfect for probably 4 to 6 patties, which is more than I need, okay? That's how we do this. All right, I'm gonna throw my buns on. Boom. All right. We got our smashies. 1, 2, 3, 4. I like a little room between them. Parchment down, smash good. I like to leave a relatively dry griddle. I just feel that it works better for me. This wind is really being a pain in the butt today. Come through. I want that smash. You want to be able to see the griddle underneath your smash. Boom. All right. Throw that paper out of here. We don't need that. Got our peppers. You can tell when there's a good crust on the bottom. I'm going to scrape these bad boys. Boom. Oh, yeah, baby. Get yourself a good crust. Not 100% perfect, but you know, it'll do. Okay, now, topping, bam. Topping, yeah. We're going thick on the toppings. Here we go. Thick toppings. Colby and Swiss is what I do. I'm not scared, I'm a fatty. Colby and Swiss times 2. Okay, on top, clean this up a little bit. Oh, yep, we like a little toast to our buns. Salt, no, that's pepper, okay? We got pepper. We coming back with the salt. Salt. Patty down. Patty down. This cheese will continue melting. We're gonna get this out of here. We don't want that. Okay, how are our buns doing? Let's take a look. We got a bottom, We're gonna throw here. Here, real life chefing, real life chef. Oh boy. Oh. A little salt. You can always use a seasoning salt if you want, but I'm going simple, basic salt. Toss them up. We're gonna build this. Here we go. Bottom to the bun. We got our sauce that we made earlier. Nothing crazy, just a little bit. Boom. We're gonna go iceberg lettuce. Nothing crazy, just a little bit. This wind is really killing me today. We want a couple of tomatoes. Grab the spatula here. Oh boy, oh boy. Burger. Oh, mamacito. Okay, now we coming back. Sauce. Extra sauce. You do you, I want extra. Okay, boom. Bam. Now. Fries, baby. That is my basic cheeseburger. This is what I do on the regular. This is what I love. It's simple, it's quick, it's delish. Let's cut this bad boy open. Let's see what we got. Here we go, coming in hot. Oh my. Oh, the cheese. Oh, it's melting. Oh. Look at this bad boy. Delish. Oh, okay, let's try this. We always have extra sauce for the side. Here we go. This is delish, okay? The smokiness, even though we didn't even use fire per se, the creaminess, the crispiness of the fries, this is fantastic. The Fresnos are really not that spicy in general. I'm loving this. I need to go back for another one. I'm on my. Don't worry about perfection. Just do it at home, show it love, and it's gonna be delicious and the whole family is gonna enjoy it, okay? Trust me on this. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you guys soon. We post up every Tuesday and Thursday. Follow us for more. Like, subscribe, hit that bell button. We love you guys. Thank you guys so much. It's all because of you. Thank you. The sauce is spot on, okay? We have another burger. I don't even know what I'm doing. This is fire. You should really try a bite of this. This is wrong. This is fire, okay?